Hello, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're going to explore the world of the trendy Realme C61. So, fasten your seatbelts and let's dive right in.
The Realme C61 is an exceptional smartphone that boasts a 6.74-inch HD display.
What's even more impressive is its 90Hz refresh rate, ensuring seamless scrolling and a smooth user experience. It's packed with a robust octa-core processor, which ensures seamless multitasking and a lag-free performance. Moving on to the photography features, the Realme C61 shines. With its 1.3MP primary camera lens and an additional 2MP lens for capturing extra detail. The device is powered by a respectable 5000 mAh battery, providing you with uninterrupted usage throughout the day. Lastly, let's discuss the security aspects of this device. The Realme C61 comes equipped with side fingerprint sensors that are both quick and responsive.
It comes in two variants. One variant of 4GB RAM and 64GB ROM, and for GM expandable RAM. Another variant is of 6GB RAM and 128GB ROM and 6GB expandable RAM. It comes with IP54 water resistant.
If you found this information helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech updates. Thank you for tuning in.